Hi friends, thank you for tuning into my YouTube channel. I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful 6-petal crochet motif. I am using this white yarn and I'm using this 2.5mm crochet hook. I tend to secure my yarn just like this. You can go ahead and do a magic ring if you wish to. And we're going to start by chaining 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going to go ahead and slip stitch into that first space there, chain 3, and we're going to place a total of 24 double crochets in the center. Your first one always counts as 2 double crochets. So we've got 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22,
3, and the last one 24. Go ahead and slip stitch 3 chains up. So that'll be right there. Let's move on to row 2 next. Chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Single crochet in every other chain. So I'm going to skip the first one and I'm going to single crochet in that chain there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Skip the next chain, single crochet in the next chain. So you're going to end up with 12 spaces that we can crochet into. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Skip 1, single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Skip 1, single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Skip 1, single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Skip 1, single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Skip 1, single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Skip 1, single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Skip 1, single crochet. And now I'm just going to put my last single crochet in, and we have completed 12 bases that we can work into. Now what we're going to do next is we are going to single crochet into the next space, and the next space we're going to put 9 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, single crochet in the next space, 9 double crochets in the next space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Next space, single crochet, 9 double crochet in the next space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Single crochet in the next space, 9 double crochet in the next space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Single crochet in the next space, 9 double crochet in the next space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Single crochet in the next space, and 9 double crochet in the next space. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And in the next space, just in the center there, go ahead and slip stitch. And that is our motif complete. I hope this video is helpful for you. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything to subscribe, but it means the absolute world to me. Thank you so much for watching and have a blessed day. Bye.